Hi guys, good morning to everyone who are from India. For those guys, this is evening. Maybe if you are from US, for you it's a good evening time. So all of you, wherever you are, you all are welcome today in this session. In this session, this is a very small session, and I mostly interact with just a small sharing purpose. And this sharing purpose is in recent time, I started a podcast on Spotify and Substack. In this podcast, probably mostly I'm covering about the AI/ML and logic building for software engineers, how they can transform their current experience to AI/ML, Gen AI, especially for NLP and Gen AI segment, large language model apps development, in terms of agent development, in terms of RAG development, in terms of how you can use LangChain as a framework, how you can use LangChain for your agent development, how you can use LangGraph for your overall workflow automation in your organization, in your corporate environment, right? So all these things are covered in this podcast, mostly through the article for detailed one, and in podcast to, in a simple term, how you can understand that complex topic. Because I, being a learner, I think that usually we have two major problems. One is if any topic is very difficult, then in that case we immediately lose attention. I mean, we immediately lose our attention for the topic because of their difficulties level. So if somehow by any way, if someone can little bit simplify the concept, technical jargon, technical complex terms, complex story into a simple term which is easy to understand and get the basic aspect of it, and then by reading the article which is more focused on deep dive on technical areas in terms of hands-on, in terms of your project development in your corporate day-to-day, day-to-day job requirement, all these things are catered and delivered by following the article. So these two things I am generally covering inside this newsletter. And in this, so I need to say this newsletter is having two phases. One is free registration, where as a free member you can join, and another is paid registration, which is very much dedicated, where my dedicated time is going as per your requirement. So that is paid member registration, right? These two are these two information I wanted to share here. Another thing which I would like to share here, that in coming weeks, maybe I'm just going to start the podcast on YouTube also, where I can call industry leaders, industry folks who are my colleagues or who are my friends circle in industry. They join that podcast, and we will try to share currently what is going on in industry, how being an individual you can capture those aspects and leverage those aspects in your day-to-day work or in your current skills improvement, right? Because these industry folks are definitely will give them their link to you also, so that you can connect with them, you can ask them for referral in the organization, the industry, right? So by that way, this create a complete ecosystem, right? Again, coming back to podcast, please note that these podcasts is especially created to simplify and good quality of audio. So that's why I captured this audio through the AI model. So you might see that my audio is not exactly syncing with that audio, because that audio is I created from the US based, US accent voiced AI model, and that AI model I created my own. So that is in-house model I have created and I have used. Okay, so I hope that this will help you to understand. I will share you recent podcast link and article link for your information, and if you are willing to join it, please join it. If you are interested, you can start from the free membership. You can see the how the material available is, or how the podcast is helping you. And if you then after that, if you think that you need definitely more attention from me, then you go for paid version, because in paid version I will more frequently I interact with you. That channel is probably a dedicated channel for you, where you can learn, where you can ask regular query, where you can discuss with me directly, where you can get my mentorship directly through a video conference, maybe through other way, maybe audio, video, anyway, like by call or by meeting face to face also. So that is a paid version model where you can get these kind of facility. In free version, mostly things are where you can get the benefit from article, get the benefit of podcast, which is in the free version, a free data registration, right? So I hope this will give you the basic idea about this current initiative by me, and if it is, aligned with your goal in 2025, please join this initiative and help me and help yourself to grow, thrive in 2025. This year is definitely going to break many traditional jobs, traditional way of working for software development engineers and software development seniors. So I hope that this initiative will help many of us in terms of their day-to-day improvement, in terms of their need for job in coming time, in terms of the direction the software industry is moving. You definitely get that lot many things is aligned with this newsletter and this paid subscription. I hope it will help you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye. Take care, guys. Bye.